Hello people, welcome back to my estate video. I just want to remind you that we have 4 days left, 4 more days before the February property bonus is gone, right? It's going to end in the next 4 days on the 28th of February, and I don't want anybody in my team to miss this opportunity. Anyway, that is why I am recording this video as a reminder. Okay, for those of you that are not quite familiar with the bonus that you are supposed to get this February, let me just share this with you guys very quickly. Right, so these are the properties that they are offering bonuses on. Okay, between now and 28th of February it will be gone. So the earlier you jump in, okay, if you have not registered in estate, now is the best time for you to register and claim these bonuses when you purchase either of these 3 properties. Okay, so it's either you purchase the house property and then you will get a bonus of 500 ETK, or you purchase the desert villa property and then you get a bonus of 1000 ETK, or you go for the land plot in LA that will give you a bonus of $3,120. Okay, this $3,120 is equivalent to the villa property in LA. You can also use this money to purchase the villa property. You will get that bonus instantly, immediately you purchase this property that I'm talking about, and the offer is valid until February 28th, right? So make sure you secure additional bonuses on these selected tokenized properties before the offer ends. All right, guys, I am just sharing what is there for you guys to jump in and grab these properties, and then in that manner you will get all these bonuses that they are offering. But let me just show you in the back office the properties that you are supposed to get for you to qualify for the bonuses that they are offering. So in the back office here, the first property they are offering bonus on is the house, this one, right? Because if I go back to this screen, that is the house, that is the first one, right? So that is the house where you purchase a minimum of $480, and then you will be given over 500 ETK, which will allow you to spin the wheel. Okay, this will allow you to spin the money wheel in the back office, and you will be able to get the opportunity to win up to $1,000. So it's a good opportunity for only $480. You get the opportunity to spin the wheel with your 500 ETK, and then maybe you could just be lucky and win $1,000, right? So that's one of the properties. So the second property is the desert property, this one, desert villa. So if I go back into my back office and select desert villa, you will notice that the minimum to purchase a fraction of this real estate is $1,000. Okay, and you'll be earning about $5.20 every day, and in a month you should earn just over $100. Remember, the profit that we earn in estate is from Monday to Friday. So you will earn on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. No profit on Saturdays and Sundays, right? So that is for the desert villa, the second property they are offering the bonus on. The last one is the land plot in LA. Okay, so this is a higher property level that you may want to consider, right? So if you go for that, let's look for that land plot. So this is the land plot. This will give you just $51,310 as minimum for you to purchase this property, right? So when you do purchase this property, they are saying they are going to give you equivalent of 312 EST, which is in terms of dollars, that will be $3,120, which is equivalent to purchasing a villa. Okay, so if I go back to my back office here and then select the, before I change the property, okay, type here, you should know that you will be earning up to $415 on a daily basis if you go for this land plot in LA. And in a month, you should be talking about 8,700 ish, right? Every month. It's good money that is going to come into your pocket, and you are more than happy to draw this money that you are getting, your profit. So if I go back and select, because when you purchase this land plot, they said they are going to give you 312 EST, which is equivalent to purchasing the villa in LA. So if I go back and select the villa in LA, okay, which one? This one. Okay, so you will notice that this one, the minimum is 3,120, okay, dollars. So in a month you should be getting up to $400, 399 and some cents. Okay, so this to me is great opportunity for you guys to grab this property bonus in February, because it is ending in the next 4 days. I am recording this video on the 24th of February, so 4 more days from when I'm recording this video, this bonus will stop. It will end, right? For February, there will be another property bonus that will come up in March, but it is better you grab this one that is here just now. Okay, so if you are watching this video after the 24th of February, it will be less than 4 days. And then if you are watching it after 28th of February, then this bonus must have gone, right? So get yourself into one or two of these properties and grab your bonus. Okay, but if you are watching this video for the first time and you want to sign up for e-estate, the link to do so is below this video description. Sign up, complete your KYC, deposit, purchase your property from one of those, 3 listed properties for the February bonuses, and then you will be able to qualify for that bonus, and you will get the bonus instantly on your dashboard. Right now, if you are already in e-estate, you have already registered, you've completed your KYC, your account has been verified, all you need to do is to purchase one of those properties, right? House, desert villa, or the land plot. Select one out of the 3, and then you will get your equivalent and corresponding bonuses, right? If you do more than one, you will get your bonuses. If you do only one property out of the 3, you will get your bonus corresponding to that property. So the link to join is below this video description, guys. I will see you in my team, for those of you that are already in my team. Thank you and God bless.